My name is Amos Gutierrez, and we're going to be creating a digital badge like this one. I'm going to start out by creating a new document. So we're going to go to New. We'll have 600 pixels by 600 pixels, and we'll go to Create. We're going to start by using the Star tool. When using this tool, you may notice that if you click and drag, you can move the shape to whatever size you would like. For this, it's important that when you click and you drag, you do not let go of your mouse and just keep holding on to it. If we were to hold Command while we drag, you can see that it will change our shape. Keep holding on to your mouse. What you can also do is hit the up arrow, and it will actually add points to your star. So just keep hitting up until you have the number of points that you would like. Don't let go. Now we can hold Command again and drag out. You can see that we can pull it out and make the back of our seal however we would like. Just going to remove the star, get rid of it. Now I'm just going to center the seal to the artboard and right click, go to transform and reset the bounding box. And now I can drag out and resize the seal to fit the artboard. Next, we're going to give the seal a background or fill color, and we're also going to remove the stroke around it. I think I'm going to go ahead and give this the purple background that I would like, and I have a number that I'm going to put in here. Oops. Take out the stroke. For the next layer, we're going to add a circle, so we're going to use the ellipse tool. I'm just going to center it and then drag out while holding Shift and Option so that it drags from the center. Just find it, I think that looks about good right there. And now I want to give a white stroke color to it with a point of 3. Now, 3 looks like it'll work. And next I'm going to change the fill color of this to a dark gray. Next we're going to add another circle. We're going to use the ellipse tool again, center it, and drag out holding Shift and Option. And this one will be slightly further inside, but we're going to change the stroke width on this one to 2. And now we're going to add the purple banner that's going to go across and hold the text. So we're going to get the rectangle tool. And we'll just kind of drag in here. And then we will resize it to what looks appropriate. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and give it a purple, the same purple that I used earlier. And I think I want this rectangle to be a little bit bigger, so I'm going to drag down the bottom using my direct selection tool on the shape. That looks good. And now I'm going to select all the layers, and I'm going to use the horizontal align and the vertical align to center them up. Next, we're going to add text to it, and the first is going to be the Abilene Christian University text. Centering my text, and now using ITC Avant-Garde that I got from within the Creative Cloud. Type out my text, and I'm going to drag it over, center it, and change it to white. I think I'm going to increase the size. It's good right there for now. Now I'm going to add another text. This is be our digital scholars. Go ahead and put it in there. And want to line these together. I need to change the text of digital scholar to white. And now we're going to increase the font size, see what looks good. That looks good. Now I just need to move it down a little bit. And now selecting both of them, I'm going to shift them down as well until I get it to where I would like it to be. Maybe a little bit higher. That looks good right there. I think I want to decrease Abilene Christian University font size a little bit, so go ahead and select that and maybe go down to 20 points. Looks good. So I want to add our department logo, Innovation Foundry. So I have that open in another Illustrator document. I'm just going to select it, Command C to copy it, and then paste it in. And now I have to resize it. It's a little big. And I want to add a white border around this, and I'm going to do that by creating a circle behind it with the ellipse tool. I'll just center that, drag out with Shift Option where it's slightly larger. And then we will have to right click, go to Arrange, and send that circle backwards. As you can see, the logo and the circle aren't identical, so I'm going to select the logo and I'm going to just resize it to where it is equal on each side. That looks better. Good. Just use the shortcut Z to go back to a zoom tool and Option to switch it to zoom out. Next, we're going to add a little book icon under the Digital Scholar, and I've pulled this in using Photoshop Sketch on my phone and was able to download that from the Creative Cloud Market for free. So I'm just going to bring this in, size it to about what I want. See if that looks good. I think I'm going to go ahead and make the logo up top a little smaller, so I'm going to go ahead and select both the white circle and the logo and just scale it down a little bit. I think I'll make this one a little bit smaller as well. So now I want to change the color of the orange. Use the direct selection tool to select it, and we'll go ahead and change it to that purple. I don't really like that gray color there, so I'm going to change that as well. Again, using the direct selection tool to select each portion of it. I think that works. And I think now I'll just increase the size of my logo. I think it's a little small now. And there we have it.